Hello everyone, this is our 2016 Forest River Georgetown 364 TS Class A gas motor coach. We're getting rid of it because we are no longer traveling for work, and it was amazing to have, but our time of traveling has come to an end. But this thing is fully equipped with all the materials you'll need. Tons of extras, all the hoses, all the hookups, everything you need. Even the dishes are still in it. We want to just give it to someone or sell it to someone that could really utilize the features of a motorhome and not have to shell out a bunch of money to get one brand new and then furnish it and learn it all on your own. So here are a couple pictures, or quite a few pictures, to show all the different upgrades we've made. All the convenient features that it has. It also shows every nick and scratch and dent that is on it. We want it to be as transparent as possible to let people know that we're honest with our selling. We don't want to have to go back and forth with a dent here, a dent there, that you won't see until you see it in person. So this is a better way for us to get our device out. So just enjoy the pictures. If you have any questions, just shoot me a text or call me. We have the tow dolly that comes with it. Pretty much everything you see in the pictures will come with the purchase. Now, we no longer need any of the appliances, the skillet, even the seasonings, the paper towel racks, nothing. We don't need any of those things anymore. We have a home actually in Kentucky, and we were last out in California in Fresno, and that's where it is now in storage. So if you are interested in taking a look at it or getting more video to see it in action, just give me a call or shoot me a text, and we'll be happy to help out. Enjoy your day. Another thing I forgot to mention is this dinette or kitchenette turns into a bed. So there's a bed here, twin size bed. It's going to be once you lay this down. This comes down. This you would then move your cushions from the back of here to on top of here on both sides and make your bed there. It's a full size pull out couch right here, and there's also a bed up top here too. So this swings out. There's a catch right here that keeps it on there. You push it up, you pull this out, fold the bed down. You have another person up here that can sleep up to 200 pounds. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's basically sleep up to 8 people if you wanted to. And 2 in the back, 1 person per bunk bed, 2 bunk beds, 1 person here, 2 people here, 1 person there. So very spacious and great quality motorhome for you and the family to be in.